A Walmart cancellation is not complete until you verify that your membership status has changed and the cancellation confirmation appears on your account. By the end, you'll know how to check whether your Walmart cancellation went through, where to look for confirmation, and what to do if your membership still appears active. Start by signing into your Walmart account and opening the Walmart membership section. Check the current membership status shown there. If the cancellation was successful, your account should show the updated membership information. The next step is checking your email. Walmart usually uses the email connected to your account for membership updates and account notifications. Search your inbox for Walmart messages and review any cancellation-related confirmation. If you do not see a confirmation email, return to your Walmart account and check the membership page again. The account status is the main place to verify whether the cancellation request was processed. Another thing to check is whether you canceled the correct account. Some people have multiple email addresses or Walmart accounts, and a cancellation request only affects the account where it was submitted. Make sure you are signed into the same account that has the Walmart membership. If your membership still shows as active after you requested cancellation, review the cancellation steps again from your account settings. Follow the instructions provided there and confirm that the final step was completed. Keep any confirmation messages or screenshots related to the cancellation. These details can help if you need to contact Walmart support later. If the cancellation still does not appear correctly, contact Walmart support and provide your account information and details about when you submitted the request. Clear information helps support review the situation. Avoid assuming that closing the app or deleting it cancels your membership. Removing an app from your phone does not change your subscription status. Always verify through your account settings. The main points are simple. First, check your Walmart membership page after canceling. Second, look for a confirmation message connected to your account. Third, contact Walmart support if the status does not update. Your next step is to sign into Walmart. Open your Walmart membership details and confirm the current status. If this guide helped you verify your cancellation, like the video and subscribe for more practical subscription and account guides.